Oh geez. Hello, my name is Latch Gaming, also known as the Real Latch Gaming. I'm happy to announce that we are beginning filming the final episode to Life of Latch. Wow, I can't believe that it has been over a year since the first episode was aired. It makes me sad to see it end, but I can promise that there will be a new show with me in it. As you can tell, our budget was increased by $10. We got better lighting and a new stage. Check out this shiny ball. This new episode is going to be huge, don't miss it. Anyway, I have to get going. I gotta get my makeup done before shooting. Don't forget to subscribe to me, The Real Latch Gaming. Hey, has Conan already had his hair done?